Hey, what's up, XRP holder, my brothers? What's going on? This time, XRP is going very fastly and growing very fastly like a rocket, increasing pricing, increasing changes. Therefore, I can't believe this. To what is this possible to they starting growing very fastly? But I don't know. I can't believe this changes. So let's see to what's going on and what we do in this situation. This is very important. Sell, hold, or buy. So let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe ABS Tech channel, because this channel, if you subscribe, then I am updating you every good news or bad news of our cryptocurrencies. So hope you subscribe it. Thanks for subscription, guys. Let's get started the price prediction. But first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour result. If you can see here, the last 1 hour chant, this is immediately you can see here gone up, and this time at the same time. So this is very good for all XRP holders. You can see here the chant. Remember these changes and remember this price. Before I decide to this is selling time or buying time, I also need your decision. Okay, your opinion, to what you want. Okay, sell, buy, or hold. So you can see here this time the price changed as 1.07 US dollar as the latest price of last 1 hour. You can see here. So remember this. Let's see the last 1 day charts to what's going on in the last 1 day, because this is also very important for this decision. If you can see here, the last 1 day chart is also and positive. They gone up, absolutely gone up 4.29%. They gone up. So my brother, if they go like this, what you say, can they cross 2 US dollar and just this month? What you say? I think this is possible, not impossible. I especially voting for this to, I hope they can cross 2 US dollar. Okay, so what you say they can cross, please tell me in a comment box. Okay guys, so remember this price, the price is also increasing. This is last 1 day chart, as they take a very high jump. You can see here they take a very high, sometimes they take a dump, but again they take a high jump. So I think they gone very fastly, very good. So let's see the last 7 day result to what's going on in the past 7 days. Okay, the 7 days result, oh my goodness, I can't believe this result. You can see here, what a big change, friends, what a big change. What you say, if they take this type change is gone, oh my goodness, they easily cross 2 US, 5 US, and I hope they cross 10 US 1 and the first and upcoming days. So what you say, can they can cross it? I hope they cross it. My expectation is very good from XRP holder. Don't sell it, be hold, please. A lot of holders tell me to we are going to sell it, because this the first week has gone very bad from XRP, because totally they are lost. But I don't know why they is changing start again, and they again, you can see here they gone straight. You can see here this time there's very bad dumps. You can see here, but there you can see here this time they take a very high jump. I hope in upcoming days they're taking this type jumping. So please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit, they make you a millionaire. Hope they make you a millionaire. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.